Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down in the comments down below. I have an itch on my leg. Let me know how your day is doing. I'm very nosy. All right, so if you read from my title, I will be unboxing the July 2019 Allure Beauty Box. Let me just tell you, I was so excited. For a couple months, I knew that they were going to have this curated by Huda Beauty, and I was so excited. I got this puppy early, so this is $15 a month. You do pay for tax, so I think it's like $15.99, something like that I do pay for this. So without further ado, let's see what's inside of here. Alrighty. Alright, so when you open it up, this is what it looks like. It says, with passion and purpose, every day is possible. That is so true. Huda Catton and Huda of Huda Beauty. That is so, so true. So it always comes with, God, isn't she beautiful though? Alright, so this is her right there. And so you always get like a little brochure that tells you about each product, tells you the prices and stuff like that. All right, so this is the bag this month. This bag is my all-time favorite color. Oh my God, this is like neon pinkish reddish. This is so pretty in person, but let me show you the box. Look at the box. They went all out. All right. All right, so you have this and then you have this. This was outside of the box. So let's see what this is. This is a Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick. Even the packaging is so pretty. This is in the shade Allure. So let's see. Okay, so when you pull it out, that's what it looks like. And I do not have this shade. Let's see if I can get it out. Come on. Come on. All right, so that's what it looks like. I hope it looks like this is more like an orangey red. I'm not sure. So let's see. I like more blue tone reds. Yeah, this is more like an orangey red. But it's actually pretty. Well, maybe, I don't know. This might be like a red.
What you be?
I see a lot of orange in it too. But it is pretty. So let's see how much that puppy is. All right, so this would be, where you be? Where's the price? Okay, it says, finally, I've been dying to tell you about the stunning orange-red lip color. Okay, so it is. But why don't I see the price? Why? Where are you? It just says promo code, see custom code on the coupon in your box to receive 25% off your order. I don't see a price, so I don't know. I'll look it up and leave it right here. All right, so here we go. So it opens like that. I mean, this is really, really pretty. I'm telling you, it's not doing justice. All right. So the first thing I am seeing is this. So this is the Too Faced Hangover Primer. I've tried this before and I do enjoy it. It's not my favorite, but I do like it. Can you see that? Is that backwards? Yes, it is. There we go. All right, so that is a sample, I think. Let's see. Yep, so this would be, full size would be $34. So you could have got this, you could have got the Benefit Cabral, or you could have got the Urban Decay 24/7 Primer. So maybe this is full size. Maybe it is, it could be. Let's see. I don't know if it's full size or not. Let me know in the comments down below. So we have the eye primer. All right, and then we have, oh, some lashes. These are gorgeous. These are the Samantha #7s. I hear a lot of YouTubers talk about the Samantha ones. Now, I don't wear lashes, but if I did, I would wear these puppies. They are gorgeous. My daughter wears eyelashes, so she gets lucky and she gets the eyelashes. Let's take this plastic piece off, see if you can see a little bit better. I don't wear them, not because I don't like them. The last time I put them on, I glued my eyes shut, like literally. And my daughter was laughing so hard at me because you get paranoid. You're like, oh my God, you know, and you just have to go like this. But, you know, it was funny. It was pretty funny. All right, let's see where that is. Where you be? Having a horrible time finding stuff today. Why don't I see the lashes in here? Oh, come on. don't see the lashes in here. Oh, yeah, I do. I'm lying. I'm lying. All right, so they retail for $20. Isn't that weird that I don't see the price for that lipstick? I don't know. All right, let me keep it moving. All right, so we still got a lot in here. Then we have this Allure. Okay, this is a perfume in the scent vanilla. So there we go. So let's see. Oh, that does smell like vanilla. That smells good. I actually like that. It's not my favorite, like my holy grail. My holy grail that I love is I forgot what box, but it's the Arizona one. Oh my God, that smells so good. But this is pretty good too. I like that as well. All right, so then we got this right here. So what is this? Okay, Tony Moly Intense Care Gold Snail Hydro Gel Max. Ooh, I love this. I love it so much. These work really, really good. This is like a great box so far. I mean, for $15. All right, so that would be $10 for this, okay? What else we got? What else? What else? It's like, it's never ending. I don't want it to stop. So you're going to see, okay, then you just scratch this off to see what is in your next month. Okay, this is the 25% off for the Huda Beauty, your own personal code. And then we got this from Cakeway. I never say this right. Never. This is texturizing hairspray. So I don't wear hairspray, so I'll probably put that in a giveaway. Full size will be $26. This is definitely not full size, but it's good. You get to try it to see if you like it. And that's everything in our July 2019 Allure box. So let's recap what we got. So we got, I mean, I really like this bag a lot. It's really pretty. I like it. All right, so then we got this Quay, I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. How do you pronounce this? You guys tell me this all the time and I still forget. So we have this, and this is a decent size to try it out. We have the lashes. They're really pretty. Maybe I need to try. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. Should I try lashes like on camera so you guys can get a good look? Oh my God. I scratched my back. All right, and it's still sticky. Watch me have orange stuff on my shirt. All right, so then we have this Snail Intense Care Gold 24 Karat Snail Hydro Gel Mask. And it looks like it comes in 2 pieces right here, if you guys can see. All right, what else? What else? What else? We got this. So I guess you can get different shades, or maybe, I don't know if it's just one shade. I guess it's like her favorite thing, so maybe it's this. And she's got like tannish color skin, so I bet you this color probably looks beautiful on her. Anybody with you know, deeper skin than me. Then we got, where'd you go? Then we have this primer, this eye, is it an eye primer or no, this is a face primer. This can't be. This has to be a sample size. And then we got the little sample size of the vanilla, the Allure in the shade Vanilla 28. So that's everything that we got. Let me wipe this off as I'm talking to you. And if you stayed to the end, I will show you what is on my eyes, because I know some of you like me. Okay, you like to know what I'm wearing. All right, so let me put that aside. Let me know what you think of July's box. It's really, really good. All right, so I am wearing the oldie but goodie Colored Rain. This is the Queen of Hearts palette. I love this palette so, so much. So it comes like with the mirror. I love the fact how you can put it all the way back, and this is what it looks like if you don't know. And so this is what, I have the eye primer on, and so then I just, you know, my whole eye. I have what primer? The Urban Decay Anti-Aging Primer. So that's where I set it. Then I went in with these 2 shades right here. I mixed these 2 shades. This is Royal, I don't know how to say that, and Princess. And then I did it for my transition. And then I went in with this orangey shade. It's called Empress. And I kind of deepened up my transition a little bit. And then I went into Your Majesty for my lid. And then Royal Highness in the middle, you know, and then I deepened it up with Duchess right there. And that's what I have on my eyes. I really like this palette. And on my lips, what am I wearing? I don't have it out, but I am wearing some Gerard Cosmetics lipstick and a lip gloss. And that's everything, guys. So comment down below. Do you get Allure? Do you think it's worth it? What do you think? I know sometimes there is some controversy with Huda. So let me know all the tea. All right, guys, that's everything. Make sure you like this video because it does help me out. If you don't like it, dislike it, let me know. Make sure you rate it, though. And make sure you turn your bell on so you can get all my notifications because YouTube isn't always giving them out. And also for my upcoming giveaway so you guys can get in on that. And subscribe. You know, stay with us, join our family. And as always, I leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.